Today, we're just going to be cleaning up wires in the bus. We have a visitor on the bus. It's a bird. We need to get out. Please, I said something.
Alright, sweetie.
Alright, birdie.
Just hold still. Poor thing.
It's okay. It's okay. Let me open the window. Let me open the window. I'll open this window.
Good thing we found him before it got too hot in here, huh?
Yeah. There we go.
Michael, be careful.
Yeah, that's the one.
There he goes!
Good.
He
Good
made it!
job.
Now,
There he goes. Bye-bye, birdie.
now close it up. So
Yep. I need to close it up again.
Maybe we should lock this part up.
Well, we've had the bus here for quite a while. That's our first bird.
Yep, leave this open because I have parts off in here that I'm working on. The white plastic parts go in this bucket, okay?
Okay. Plastic.
The white plastic stuff here. It's in that bucket.
Some of it has metal attached to it.
Okay, just put it in the bucket.
Which bucket?
That one right there.
That's blue.
There's a tool. Okay, so all the metal parts go in there.
Desmond, I love you. Be careful. Good. Okay? Do what Grandpa says. Love you.
Some of the metal parts don't fit, like the big pieces.
The big
If
tubes.
it's really long, then yeah, it's going to have to go somewhere else, huh?
Love you, buddy. Start getting out here.
There it is.
I figured that out. Looks like some of the metal pieces are already in a bucket.
Okay, so leave them where they are. See that wire on the ground here? Pick that up, put that in this bucket. Let's see what else we have here. This. This laying down flat. Okay, the glove bucket, the yellow bucket next to it.
Yeah.
Here, gets these two tools. Put those in the yellow bucket. Oh wait, that's what I found.
What? Whoa.
That goes in the glove bucket.
That's all.
Alright, keep them right in the middle. Put me back in there. There we go. Here, I want you to pull on this one. Not hard, just pull it up so I can get it out of here.
I think that's about all the wires here.
Think it is?
Other than the back here.
Alright. Let's see here. Let's just move this out of the way. Out of the way. Put you in there. Out of the way. Out of the way. These original wires from the bus.
What about these?
Those are going to have to stay for right now because it's raining too hard. We're going to go in the garage eventually for recycling. But we'll try and get this bunch out of the way as possible. These need to go in when we go in. Wires. Alright, let me look at what we have upstairs. Goes right there here. Push this way. And then straight forward.
There you go. You changing all the wires. Where's the turn signal?
You know you're driving with the door open. You better close that door.
There you go. Oh, can it? Oh, you did it!
I kind of just does it for yourself.
Oh, don't step on that. I need to fix that.
That's one big wheel, isn't it? Is Grandpa gonna put a necking knob on that?
I was thinking about it, yeah. I was looking at a Pokemon ball one.
Doesn't exactly go with claws. You could put Rudolph's
I make
nose.
a Pokemon ball for that too. I can't find the center cap. Still looking.
Where's the turn signal?
That's what you were stepping on.
It's by foot?
No, it's.
Oh, it's hanging. Oh.
Oh, nice.
Have you ever gotten a shot of that
Your windshield wipers have
windshield?
those two knobs right there. Down, 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 down. Nope, down, down, down.
We
those
have-
two knobs there.
The windshield on order
They won't go on because they're air powered, but that's what they
so
are.
that we can replace this. This was like this when we bought it. Somebody shot a bullet through it. And we put the little cork in there to try and stop it from putting in a whole bunch of water. But The other side is good.
Hey,
Although I think we bought
Fan
two
on.
sides, didn't we?
I think the fan's on right now. Except for there is no fan.
Yep.
Yeah, there's a lot of there is no in this bus.
What's that?
That's for adjusting your seat.
Huh?
You want to adjust your seat?
Sure.
I'll have to do it because it's very hard to pull. But
It's so hard.
it's so hard I can't pull it right now.
What would it do? Move it back?
It leans this back.
Ah. I don't know that I'd want to see a driver who was way leaned back. As big as that wheel is, you'd need to really sit up. All right, look at the. Wait, bye.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Nope, say it at the camera.
Thanks for watching. What's that?
Auto upholstery cleaner. What do you think that's for?
I have no idea.
Since there's no upholstery.